Hi, I'm Lavendini from the University of Adelaide. My research is about understanding the student learning in online learning environment. In recent years, we have witnessed an increasing interest in online learning environment, particularly in massive open online courses. According to a study, only 1 in every 20 students who enroll in MOOCs complete their studies successfully. So we need to explore other perspectives of learning success beyond completion. So my two research questions are, can student role and linguistic expressions be used to understand the student learning? And then my second research question is, to what extent the student's learning is affected by external factors? So we ran two experiments. One is role classification and the other one is linguistic measures. So the study extracted a data set from Adelaide X, and we are using around 6,000 posts for the current pilot study. Posts were manually annotated as information seeker, information giver, and other user roles. The first experiment addresses the role classification by eliminating the contextual and structural features. That is, the study predicts this role classification based on only on linguistic features. So we ran a recursive feature elimination with cross-validation and came up with 16 optimal features to identify the user roles. So which achieved around 82.2% of F measure with random forest classifier. And when it comes to linguistic measures, we ran several linguistic measures like discourse complexity, information embeddedness, lexical frequency profile, and many other. So when we ran the linguistic measures, we observed different trends. For example, when it comes to discourse complexity, if a particular user role can be seen in consecutive posts, the level of complexity increases or decreases with minimum change. And when there's a role change, there's a dramatic change in discourse complexity. Likewise, when you see the lexical diversity are decreasing along with information giver, information seeker, and other. It means that the lexical diversity is high in information giver. So likewise, we got different linguistic patterns for each user role. So my future work is to build a linguistic framework and a prediction model using these linguistic indicators and the user roles. So in this doctoral consortium, I would like to discuss the possible reasoning behind the observed trends, why the readability level is high in the information seeker than the information giver, and the level of information embeddedness is high within the information giver compared to the other classes. And also I would like to discuss the language and discourse measures that can be contribute to understanding the student learning. And also I would like to carry on discussions on how these existing frameworks like ICAP framework can be associated with the learner role. So thank you very much for listening. So I'm looking forward for the further discussions on my research. Thank you so much.